Shipping your car might sound complicated, but once you understand the process, it is actually pretty straightforward. Every day, thousands of vehicles are safely transported across the country using a system that is licensed, insured, and professionally managed. When you ship your car, you are not just handing over your keys. You are entering a structured process with paperwork, continuous tracking, and also legal protection. Most people work with a broker who connects you with a licensed carrier that actually transports your vehicle. This system helps you get competitive pricing and reliable service. The process starts with getting quotes. You will share details like your pickup and delivery location, the timeline, as well as the type and size of the vehicle you will be shipping. It is smart to compare at least 3 to 5 quotes so you understand the real price range. If one quote seems much lower than the others, that can be a warning sign. Before booking, take a few minutes to verify the company. Check their registration, insurance, and customer reviews. This simple step can help you avoid scams and ensure you are working with a legitimate provider. Once you book, a carrier is assigned to your shipment. You will receive details about the driver, pickup window, and transport type. From there, your focus shifts to preparing your car. Clean it, take clear photos from all angles, remove personal items, and keep the gas tank about a quarter full. These steps protect you and make the inspection process easier. On pickup day, you or someone you trust should be present. The driver will inspect the car and the required document, its condition, on something called a bill of lading. This document is extremely important because it records the condition of your car before transport. During transit, your car is on its way to the destination. Some delays can happen due to weather or traffic, but good communication from the carrier is key. When the car is delivered, inspect it carefully before signing anything. Compare it with your photos and check for any damage. If you notice anything, it must be noted on the delivery paperwork before you sign. The biggest mistakes people make are not verifying the company, not documenting the car properly, or rushing through the inspection at delivery. Avoid those and your car shipping experience will be smooth and stress-free. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move.